Today, I'll show you exactly how to pin your OneDrive folder to quick access in Windows 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to open your OneDrive files with just a single click, no scrolling, searching, or digging through folders. This is a simple shortcut, but it's an absolute game changer if you use OneDrive regularly and want to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. Either one works just fine. File Explorer is your main hub for navigating all the files and folders on your PC, and it's where the magic will happen today. Now, once you have File Explorer open, you'll need to find your OneDrive folder. For most people, it lives in your user folder, which is usually under C/users/ and then your username. So for instance, if your name is Jordan, your OneDrive folder will probably be at C/users/Jordan/OneDrive. If you're ever unsure, just look in the left panel. OneDrive might already show up there, and you can click it to check if it's the right one. Alright, with the OneDrive folder in front of you, the next thing you'll do is give it a right click. I always say right-clicking is like opening a toolbox. It shows you every action you can take with what you're working on. So go ahead, right-click on the OneDrive folder and a menu will pop up. In that menu, look for the option that says Pin to Quick Access. When you select this, you're basically telling Windows, hey, I want this folder at my fingertips at all times. Once you click it, you should see the OneDrive folder instantly appear under the Quick Access or Home section on the left-hand side of File Explorer. That's where your favorite and most used folders live, so this is a great place for anything you need to open often. Now, here's a little shortcut if you like things super swift. You can just drag and drop. Seriously, all you have to do is click and hold the OneDrive folder with your mouse, and then drag it over to the Quick Access area in the navigation pane on the left. As you hover over Quick Access or Home, you'll see a little prompt to drop it there. Release the mouse and boom, it's pinned. Sometimes simple shortcuts like this can really speed up those repetitive tasks. A quick note, if you ever change your mind, you can unpin OneDrive from Quick Access just as easily. Just right-click it in the left pane and select Unpin from Quick Access. No harm done, you're always in control, so that's it. From now on, anytime you open File Explorer, your OneDrive folder will be right there in Quick Access, ready to go. This might seem like a small change, but having your cloud files just a click away can seriously boost your productivity, especially if you're moving files back and forth or collaborating with colleagues or classmates. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or if something didn't work quite as expected, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more clear, helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.